What's up guys, want to take a look at the single drawer TSTAK. This is my electrical kit that I've got here, so keeping a variety of tools as well as supplies in this kit. So you can see first off how amazingly smooth that opens up, works really well. They've got some pretty decent drawer slides on the side of these things and a nice latching mechanism that keeps the drawer from opening. Whenever you want to open the drawer up, there's actually a little bar underneath here on the handle. You squeeze that and that unlatches the drawer and allows it to open up. You notice these tabs right here on the side, those are the catches, and whenever you squeeze that handle in the center there, that lowers it, which allows the door to open. So you can hear that nice positive stop whenever I close the drawer. Then whenever you open it up, just squeeze that and the drawer opens up nicely. They do have these really nice slides. You know, all things considered, it's very appropriately sized for the weight and size box that you have here. Just seems to work really well, opens and closes nicely. To stack these up, you have the typical TSTAK clamping mechanism on the side here. It's pretty easy to operate. I usually just give it a good whack. But these are metal reinforced. They've got a metal rod going through them. Whenever you want to pop them open, doesn't take too much effort, and then they just snap right back into place. Also, with these drawer slides, they do have a little tab on here that you can press down, and that does make so that you can remove the entire drawer if you want to. Probably wouldn't do that all the time, but if you had a situation where, say, I wanted to take all of these wire connectors somewhere, I could just take the whole drawer out of the stack rather than unstacking the whole unit. Unstacking these is pretty straightforward. You just pop down the tab, and then you can get at an individual box pretty easily if you want to remove one from your stack. These single drawer units also have a nice handle that folds down on them, so if you want to carry around a stack or even just one unit by itself, you can do that with just the one handle here. Makes it nice so you don't have to carry it by the sides. However, whenever you do have a really tall stack, there is a nice recessed handle area right here that makes it really nice for picking up and moving a big stack around whenever there's a lot of weight on it. When you purchase these single drawer units, they do come with these containers inside them already, and they also come with these plastic lids that go with them. I find the plastic lids to be kind of useless, so I just kind of throw those away. But you can see here the containers work really well, and you can kind of orient those in a variety of different ways. It's also really nice that if you want to take just one container of fasteners, you can take all of these out individually and take them to whatever you're working on. But if you don't want to use the containers, you've also got a nice large drawer area to put tools in. You will find with these kits, you're not going to fit huge tools in these single drawer boxes, but you can make a nice combination of different kits, throwing different tools in these boxes. They're just the right size for a lot of these more compact tools. So all in all, I think that these single drawer units are just a really great value. They're a really nice size, kind of a medium sized toolbox platform. Gives you a lot of options with some different tools. Obviously these drawers are much smaller than the Milwaukee Packout, but you know, a lot of people don't want the size box that the Milwaukee Packout is. So I think these DEWALT TSTAKs are a great value. Now I also absolutely love the Milwaukee Packout system, but the truth is you don't always need a gigantic drawer like this. Sometimes you just want a smaller toolbox platform that will work a little bit better for whatever you have for it. And these DEWALT TSTAK single drawers are really ideal. The other thing is you can absolutely not beat the price point on these TSTAKs. In my opinion, they're very reasonably priced and give us a great value for tool storage.